Hi, my name is Evan,
And I'm Aaron,
and we are your sales consultants here at Luther Burnsville Volkswagen.
and we are here to show you how to use your car. Today, I'm going to be covering the climate control in this 2023 ID.4 Pro S. Here is the home screen. Once you're here, you have two different ways of accessing the climate control. You can either tap the little climate logos in the corner there that includes your heated seats, or you can hit the climate button on your haptic row right over here. Now, once you are in your climate control settings, if you look up top here, we have on and off, we have smart climate, classic climate, air care, and settings. Starting with smart climate, this is a super helpful tool in the ID.4 that, let's say your windows are foggy and you're not quite sure how to defog them. You can hit clear view. It's on a little timer, as you can see it count down here, and the car does all the thinking for you and defogs the windows. Turn this down here. You have a few different other options here. Some of them are grayed out right now because it's quite hot out, so we have the climate set to low with the AC on. The next screen is called Classic Climate. These are the climate settings that you're used to in most vehicles. And then you also have your heated steering wheel controls in the corner there. Moving on to air care. This is a built-in filter, and once you turn it on, it filters out fine pollen and dust particles out of the vehicle's interior air. And then once we get to settings over here, this is kind of where you can control like heat seating connected to the climate control, or steering wheel heating connected to the climate control as well. Now we're back to the home screen here, and now I would like to cover with you some of the cool features that make the climate control in this car unique. First feature being you have the swipe controls here, which can control the climate control temperature. Not only that, you can double tap, and that controls the heated seats instead of you having to go into the menu. And if you swipe over here, you can go to auxiliary climate control, and this is where you can actually set up a schedule. So let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I leave for work at 6:30. I want the car to be 72 degrees. You can set that up, and that way when the car is plugged in, you're only using the electricity from your house. So when you start driving, it doesn't have to work as hard to get up to the temperature that you desire. Also, another cool feature is the built-in voice assistant and how you can control your climate control system with it.
Hello, ID. I'm cold.
Okay, warming the right front side now.
As you can see, it heard the passenger and only adjusted their side of the climate control in relation to where they were sitting. You can learn more functions under the Help tab, Speech, and Climate Control, and it'll give you a bunch of voice prompts that you can kind of click into to learn how to use your Hello ID system to control your car. Here are the controls for the defrosts. They make up the bottom three buttons right over here. So you have a max front defrost, which directs all the air to the front windshield to defrost whatever's on there. And then you have the front heated windshield. This is a lot more efficient at getting whatever is on your windshield off, such as snow. And then you have the rear defrost, which we are all familiar with, that heats up those little lines in the back window to defrost your rear window.